The United Arab Emirates has formally approved some of the most extensive legal reforms ever seen in the country. These include major changes in the intellectual property space, including an expansion of trademark laws, revisions to patent laws, stronger copyright rules, and a greater protection of personal data. Samantha Granger of our Dubai office take us through some of the questions being asked about the new trademark law, which comes into effect in January 2022.
There has been a large number of reforms in the United Arab Emirates, including a suite of new intellectual property laws, amongst them a trademark law. The changes are deliberate in order to move the economy to one of an innovation and knowledge-based economy, the backbone of which is the awareness of intellectual property rights. Article 2 amends the definition of a trademark by way of example. It expands the definition by including items such as engravings, shapes, three-dimensional marks, holograms, sounds and smells. This change of definition is very useful because it covers a lot of unconventional marks. However, further amendments to Article 2 may be needed, as what is an unconventional mark today may not be one tomorrow. A better way moving forward would be to expand the principles of what unconventional marks are. Article 3 concerning three-dimensional marks goes some way in doing this, as setting out what the principles of what can be registered and what can't not be registered on the basis of functionality of the shape. One of the major changes under the trademark law is under Article 6, which allows for multi-class filings. Previously, the UAE was a single-class filing jurisdiction. There's no guidance on cost yet, but we're expecting it to be cheaper than a single-class filing. Another significant change under the trademark law is in relation to licensing agreements. It's no longer a requirement to record the license at the trademark office, and owners can rely on unrecorded trademark license agreements. This will prove useful in legal proceedings where they need to show their use. In addition, the new trademark law establishes a new grievance committee, which is headed by a judge and supported by 2 IP experts. This is an important change in practice as it bridges the gap between IP technical knowledge and the judiciary. Decisions are appealable to the Court of Appeal and no longer the Court of First Instance. This means there's one less level of litigation and a mature committee deciding decisions at first instance. The executive regulations to support the law should be issued shortly. Madrid also came into effect on the 27th of December, another important development in the UAE. We are still awaiting guidance on fees and procedures in relation to Madrid, but as soon as any further information is available, we'll provide an update.